Happy birthday, Ate Ja. Thank you for creating music the way that you do. You reach even greater heights this year, I'm so sure of it, and we'll be here to support you through it all. We are always so proud of you, and lagi mong tandaan na lagi kaming may pake sa'yo.
Happy birthday po, Ate Janine!
Thank you po for everything. You and your music are forever amazing, and I hope na more and more and more and more and more people discover you and your music so that they can also get the chance to feel what we feel in your music.
And we wish you all the best in life, and I hope na you continue doing what you love. And I also want to say na you deserve all the good things in the world. And ayun po, continue being the very sweet and humble girl we all know. And yeah, happy birthday! God bless you. Love you so much.
Janine, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and happiness in your life. Sana marami ka pang kantang masulat para sabay-sabay nating mapakinggan. More gigs for you and your team. May your heart and mind be filled with peace and core memories. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Janine, happy birthday. Thank you for your music. I never get tired of listening to it. I admire you so much as an artist, so please keep creating music that reflects your soul, music that resonates with us. I hope you enjoy your day and see you sa gigs.
Hello Janine, happy birthday. Thank you dahil maraming na-inspire and na-save yung music mo katulad ko. So cheers to more performances, more songs, and future concerts, and may the best of your todays be the worst of your tomorrows.
Hi Janine, idol, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi, tsaka nandito lang kami lahat nakasuporta sa'yo at nag-aabang sa magagandang music na nilalabas mo. Sana wag kang mapagod, blessing ka sa aming lahat, pati sa buong OPM industry. At yun, sana magka-work tayo someday, sometime. Idol kita, ingat ka palagi, happy birthday.
Hi Janine, this is Cookie Chua greeting you a happy birthday. Sana lagi kang healthy, happy at safe. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Janine, just want to say again happy birthday. God bless you and your family and your music journey, and I can't wait to see what else you can do with your beautiful mind when it comes to music. So yeah, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Janine! Hindi kami mapapagod kakahula-hulaan kasama ka. And sana masaya ka kung kailan mo man mapanood tong video na to. At sana alam mong mahal kita. Love you, ma. Congrats on everything. Happy birthday!
Hello Janine, happy birthday sa'yo. Hindi pa ako bayad, pero pinapakita ko lang na hindi ako napilitan na i-record to, and sincere. So plus 500 would do, pero I honestly pray na you would be blessed more this year, na magkaroon ng more breakthroughs para sa'yo, and really one of the most talented Filipino artist that I know, that I play for. So we're rooting for you and we're here for you. So God bless Janine. Happy 34th birthday.
Hi Ja, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and thank you, hindi pa ako natatasit.
Hi Ja, happy birthday. I just want to thank you for being warm and for being our inspiration. Thank you for the opportunity to play for you as one of your keys. Wishing you more happiness and success. Here's to more gigs and more awesome performances together. Cheers and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Janine, happy birthday, and grabe birthday mo na naman, which is a good thing. And yeah, I mean, prayer ko para sa'yo this year ay magkaroon ka ng more and better opportunities, not only sa career mo, but more and better opportunities to spend time with yourself and with your friends and family, na alam mo yun, hindi lang puro music, magkaroon ka rin ng time na gawin yung mga gusto mo na hindi lang kanta or pagtugtog. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a great year with you and the rest of the team. But yeah, happy birthday, Janine. Enjoy.
Hey Janine, just wanted to say happy birthday. Hope you have a great year and I'll see you when I'm back. Yeah.
Janine Tenyoso, happy birthday. Si Rob to. Yun lang, mabuhay ka ng mahabang mahaba. And I hope to see you soon. Ulit, gumawa tayo ng marami pang kanta. Isa kang blessing sa music world. Isa kang blessing sa world. Yun. Take care. More birthdays to come. Sasabi ko na ba yun? God bless.
Janine! Hi, happy birthday. Yeah, I heard you have a gathering today. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for always inspiring everyone around you to be better. You stay maangas. Ang dami kong sinasabi. Happy birthday. Late na nga yata kasi Thursday daw. Pero Friday. But yeah, happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi, Miss Janine! Happy birthday! I pray na marami pang birthdays na dumating sa life mo, abundance and prosperity to you and your family. And thank you so much for making such a wonderful song, Hulaan, for all the people to relate and to enjoy. Maraming salamat po for making that song and pouring your heart out so that, nagamit ko siya on my piece on Tawag ng Tanghalan. Maraming salamat and more events and more maraming ganap to come. Happy birthday po! God bless you and we love you!
Hi Ate Ja, si Eliza to. Gusto lang sana kita batiin ng happy birthday. And sana alam mong blessing ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And enjoy your day po and ingat ka palagi. Love you. We're all rooting for you.
Ma! Happy birthday.
Hi Janine, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Janine!
Hi, Janine! Gusto ko lang namin batiin ng happy birthday!
Hi Janine, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin na salamat sa music mo dahil isa ka sa mga tao nakaka-relate at na-inspire sa mga ginagawa mong kanta. And I really can't wait for you to do your own solo concert soon. Hopefully this year. Ayun. And I'm always here to support you and help you. Ayun. I can't wait to hear more from you. Lagi ka na sa playlist ko. Happy birthday. God bless you, Janine. And see you soon.
Hi, Ja. Happy birthday. The moment I met you, I was like, wow, she's so quiet and prim and proper. Pero hindi pala totoo yun kasi baliw ka din. And I love that I recognize the same crazy, wild, brave, creative spirit in you. And in the next months, in the next years, I hope and I wish and I pray that you shine as brightly as you can because you deserve it. And people need to hear your message, to hear your voice, and to just get to know you and what you can offer to the world. Happy birthday!
Hi Janine, happy birthday. I just want to say that I admire your songwriting, I admire your singing, I admire your creativity, and from just witnessing you all these years and sa mga kwento na nasa-share sa amin ni Pao, I admire most of all your bravery. Napaka-totoo mo lang na tao, and because you're not afraid to show who you are to people and be who you are, it inspires us to do the same. I am inspired to do the same. So maraming salamat. I am grateful that I get to have a glimpse of your journey and see you on stage and off stage as well. So thank you for who you are. We are celebrating you, and I'm here to support you anytime. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying your day. Happy birthday! See you soon.